What's up everybody, it's me Sergio, I'm with Mobility Direct. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you some big news about the Afikim Model C series. This is one of my favorite mid-size mobility scooters. Now make sure you stay tuned to the end because I'm going to tell you about a huge update that the manufacturer just told me about regarding the C model. Okay, you're not going to want to miss that if you're on the market for a mid-size mobility scooter. If you've seen our YouTube videos, you can see that I use this model at home all the time. I have this model at home. I use it with my wife. Benji, my dog, loves going on the floorboard, plenty of foot space on it. It's rated for 400 pounds. It has air-filled tires, full suspension. It's one of the smoothest riding scooters out there. If you need something that can handle off-road, that can take the abuse of living on a farm or going on nature trails, it's super safe. It is FDA approved. And Afikim's the only manufacturer that includes a 3-year in-home repair contract for free when you purchase one of their scooters. So if something goes wrong, any warranty-related issues, you don't have to go anywhere. A technician comes to your home and replaces the parts for free. Now, if you're one of our local customers, it's us that's going to come to your home and service it and repair the product under the warranty. Don't worry though, if you're not local, if you're not near one of our local stores, we can still dispatch technicians through you through our nationwide network of repair technicians. Now, I'm not going to go over all the specs. We have in-depth review videos. So if you want to learn about all the specs like the speed, which is about 9 miles per hour, the travel range, which is well over 20 miles on a full charge, and other things like that, make sure you check out our in-depth review video. And at the end of the video, I'm also going to throw all the specs on the screen so you can pause and review them at your own pace. The point of this video is to actually inform all of our YouTube subscribers that there is a huge price reduction that just took place due to overstocking, and the price is reduced by 25%. Yes, you heard that right. 25%. Now, before we get any further in this video, I do need to tell you about our free product catalog. It's got our latest products, discount codes, and more. If you want a copy, go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You can also call our non-commissioned sales experts, give them your address, and they'll process the request for you, or click on the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says Get Free Catalog. Keep in mind, we have several locations, so if you have a question, come on by one of our stores, or again, call our sales line with the number below. We'd love to earn your business. Now let's get back to the video. For a mid-size mobility scooter that can support up to 400 pounds, this is going to be probably the best option right now. There's no other scooter that's going to be as dependable as the Afikim C model. These are one of the only scooters that can actually go on the beach, on the sand. I've taken these things in puddles, in mud, gravel, cobblestone, you name it. It can handle it all. As you can see on the screen there, I live on a farm really close to a nature preserve, and this thing takes on the roughest terrain without hesitating at all. Not only that, folks, I'm a technician. I have been for over 10 years. These are one of the easiest scooters to repair, and we barely get any calls for repairs on these things. I personally have had one in my garage at home. I haven't had to change a thing. I've upgraded the seat to a 2-person seat on my S model, which is the bigger brother. We have videos on that as well. This is the compact version, hence the name Model C. Now the S version can hold up to 600 pounds if you get the HD version, or the standard S model holds 500 pounds, and it has a bunch of extra upgrade options. The C model still has a ton of upgrade options. You can get a weather canopy to protect you from the rain and the harsh sun. And honestly, even the standard model comes with everything you need. Full light kit, front and back rear lights, turn signals, big captain seat with several size options. Mirrors are included at no additional cost. You can control it with your right hand or your left hand. What I mean by that is you can go forward or reverse single-handedly with your right or your left hand. It has what's known as a Delta throttle system. Complete LED display, half speed mode, full speed mode, speed control knob. It comes with 2 keys. You've got front storage options and rear storage options. The seat rotates, slides forward and back. Pretty much has everything you could ask for in terms of comfort adjustment features. The armrests flip up as well. I'm super excited about this price reduction. I hope you are too. If you have any questions about these models or any of the models we carry, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll personally respond to your questions in the comments within 1 business day. Not only that, folks, did you know that we are The only dealer out there that offers lithium battery upgrades on these models, that's right folks, we can ship these from the factory with lithium batteries. We're the only dealer that offers that without voiding your warranty. You can get double the range. Honestly, with the standard batteries, it lasts a long time. You get like about 25 miles on a full charge. But with the lithium batteries, you can get 50, 60 miles on a full charge. I have lithium batteries on mine at home. I barely ever charge the thing. It lasts forever. I take it all the way to the grocery store, which is 10 miles away. I come back, still don't charge it, and the battery meter is still showing full. So if you are on the market for one of these, we'd love to earn your business, folks. Not only are we A-rated with the Better Business Bureau, we offer tax-free sales, free shipping, and discounts year-round. Give our non-commissioned sales experts a call with the number below. They're not pushy. They're only here to recommend a product that fits your needs and, most importantly, your budget. And keep in mind, folks, we're not just an online dealer. We actually have brick and mortar stores that you can come by, sit in one of these, test drive it before you decide to buy it. Now, like I said in the beginning, there's something that you need to know. Afikim is getting ready to release a new model pretty soon. The new S model is going to have a new sleek design that honestly looks like a Tesla. They completely changed the body style, and they're not out yet, but they will be soon. So if you want to see what they look like when they are released, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, because you better believe as soon as it comes out, we're getting models in our showrooms. We're going to test them out. We're going to tell you what we don't like about them, what we do like about them, and we're going to post it on our YouTube channel. So don't miss out on that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, enable notifications so you get that notification when that video comes out. I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. I'll see you in the next video.